What's going on, guys? It's Tech Care here, and today I'm gonna be talking about the Android 4.3 release, a release for the Galaxy S4. So there have been rumors, several logs, and the confidential sources claiming the existence of Android 4.3 in recent months. Although nothing quite seals the deal like a good old-fashioned leak, and that's what happened today. Android 4.3 JellyBean has hit the street, but this isn't just a screenshot or an internal document. Yeah, it is a full 4.3 ROM for the Google Play edition of the Samsung Galaxy S4 has found its way online. It's a big deal in the mid-myriad of ways. If you are hoping for a groundbreaking new features or an updated interface, this might be a bit of disappointment. The ROM is still being pulled apart with great joy by developers, but you'd have to look twice to realize that this isn't the Android 4.2. The menus, the home screen, and the most of the apps looks exactly the same. In fact, most of the changes that have been discovered thus far are deep down in the system. There are new permissions, tweaked Bluetooth support, and a new camera app, which was previously leaked. This says something important about how Google is approaching Android now. It's basically tying up loose ends. Past versions of Android, with the exception of 2.1 and Android 4.2, have been major updates. Both these versions kept the code name of their predecessor, but this is the first time we will have three updates in a row under the same suite name. There aren't huge handicaps in the Android platform like there once was, so Google can take its time. More interesting than what the software holds is where it comes from. This ROM was a test build running on Google Play Edition Galaxy S4, not a Nexus device. Surely there are Nexus phones with this software, but anyone worried about Samsung and HTC handling the updates for Google Play Edition devices should rest a little easier now. It really looks like the updates will flow freely with no carriers in the way. By all accounts, the ROM is very close to finish. It still bears testing identifiers in the build number, but everything seems to work when it's flashed to the regular Galaxy S4. The question GS4 owners have to ask themselves is, should I install it? If you like living dangerously, sure. The Google Play Edition device has the I9505G model number. The hardware is identical to the North American carrier branded Galaxy S4, which is just I9505. Model has packed that the ROM will be flashed, but this is unannounced software. It might break when you place a call, reboot a phone, or even turn into a pumpkin at the stroke of midnight. Only experienced users should proceed. To flash Android 4.3 on your i9505, grab the ROM from Sam Mobile, place it on your phone's internal memory. The device must be rooted and running a custom recovery. If you don't know what that means, take it as you shouldn't do this. Assuming you pass the skill check, back up your data, then reboot into your recovery and wipe the phone and flash 4.3 ROM while still in the recovery, and you're done. Just like the install from SD card, and then select your ROM and flash it. The Galaxy S4 should reboot and load stock Android 4.3. Google hasn't confirmed the existence of 4.3 JellyBean, but this looked legitimate despite the minimal changes. There may be some killer feature added before 4.3 is actually announced, but the leak is amazing for completely different reasons. Seeing it comes from a non-Nexus device should be encouraging to everyone. It shows Google is giving OEMs very early access to pre-release code this time, which can lessen fragmentation and speed updates. Google Play Edition phones might be safe after all. So this was it for this video, and I'm gonna be updating you about the Galaxy S4 news and updates and upcoming rumors about Samsung and other companies. So just subscribe to my channel and also try watching out my other videos, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Tech Care, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Peace.